James. Rip it.
You hear that, guys? Because I don't. It sounds like a vacuum. It really isn't terrible. I just think it could be a little bit louder, and I just want to be able to hear my shifts. So that's gonna change today. As you can tell, it's not very loud at idle at all. I'll give you guys a couple revs here. Yeah, not very loud at all. I can barely hear it when I'm, well, driving it. So, we went to Seattle and picked up this used SKUNK2 Mega Cannon. That's a big boy. We're gonna head over to Benny's right now and get that installed because I just don't have that much room in my garage to, well, work on it. There he is. Hi, Benny.
How you doing?
This is Bernard.
Hello.
I'm sure you've seen him in previous videos now.
Yeah, honestly.
I didn't realize I could finally say this, but it's boost season, baby. This is my first boosted car, because I've always been an NA loser. Just kidding, I love NA cars. But I didn't realize that until yesterday. I was like, I can finally say it's boost season. So I'm pretty stoked. Alright, I'm dropping my son Bernard off here at his bus stop to get some exhaust clips. So yeah, enjoy my stock vacuum cleaner. Bye, son.
Bye, Dad.
Get in, loser. Going shopping. I got milk. Got milk. So this is what my car sounds like inside. Don't mind my really bad shifting. Well, we won't do anything too crazy. Yeah, so it's first, second, third to the speed limit. And in Mexico. Today, the Type R will become a man. 3 inches. Exhaust. When I got this exhaust, I woke up at 5 in the morning. I drove 3 hours north and then 3 hours back home. Man, you could say I was exhausted after that. Please don't delete me. I had to. Kapow! Kapow! Golden Pack brand. You know you're Asian, you got a pack of rice in the back of the car. Mugen! So, the most important piece is this bag of rice, but here's the exhaust. Thick boys. We're gonna get the Type R on all 4s now.
Yeah, I mean, there's marks for. Ah!
What's up? It's your boy, James. We're under here. We're gonna take off the front pipe. There's it's a 14 right here, so all 3 of these. Maybe we'll have to remove this. We'll get there in a second. That OEM Honda stamp. Get off this hanger here, which might be a pain in the ass. But we are gonna work our way from the back all the way up. Fancy seeing you down here.
Fancy seeing you here.
So Benny's already got the 314 nuts off the front pipe, and then we were gonna start from the back, but now we're not.
Yeah, it's just easier to start from the front and just get it unbolted, and then we can count on how many hangers need to come out, and then just work our way down.
And now we're removing the clips in the back so we can access the hangers for the mufflers. Basically, we're just gonna let that hang until we can get that out, and then we're gonna rip this bad boy out. Wow, this is a familiar sight. Us working on another car here. Well, Toby's here now, so we'll get this done extra fast. Okay, so, we're gonna PB blast this hanger bad boy right here. Grab one of these things, and then you'll just pry it off.
Yeah?
With some elbow. Ah, it's in my arm!
Oh, are you...
Oh!
Get off of there. Oh, it's all over.
It's all over.
Insert profanity.
Extend the pliers, hoe
It
bag.
was extended. Now
No
it's in the-
profanity. That's a family channel.
Oh, yeah, we're good. It's off. Ta-da!
All right, now go get the center one.
Oh, fuck. There's a center one. Okay, so basically, got this one off. There's another hanger back here. And there's 2 more back there, so just rinse and repeat. PB blast, use pliers, pry them off. You don't need to spend $12 on Amazon for the plier tool.
And then this
This
is
is a big one.
this is where the other hangers are, underneath these fender liners.
Oh, God. Oh.
Ow! How'd that go again?
Be a man.
I got you.
Oh, he's no. Oh. You just
And then I just clean up the WD-40 shirt.
Dude, look at your head. You can see where your hair was.
Gross. Yeah, I got PB blast
I'm
in
a
my
mop.
hair. I'm officially a mop. So this is the stock exhaust. Look at all these mufflers. And this is the SKUNK2 Mega Cannon.
No, you got actually projected.
And for the SKUNK2, it's kind of cool. You get these hangers that come off the muffler. So I'm going to install those while Benny is doing the front pipe and Toby. So these bolts don't fit with the up pipe flange or not up pipe, that one pipe up there. Doesn't fit, so we got to grind down these flat to see if it will work. So we're gonna put this exhaust in the daily, and from the looks of it, it looks like it's just gonna be from the trunk to the dash. Yes, so stock exhaust does not fit in a CRV.
We know it's there.
Well, if you ever wonder what a Type R with no stock exhaust sounds like,
Sounds like that. Oh God, get in here. There. Oh, that was dirt.
something you guys should know before getting a SKUNK2 exhaust for your Type R is that it's not going to be the easiest mounting up to your stock front pipe. The studs on the stock front pipe are actually too big for the bolts or nuts that come with the SKUNK2 exhaust, so in order for it to fit, you actually knock out the stock studs. However, that's too much work for me. I'm just going to get a new front pipe instead. So, stay tuned. So, 4 hours later, we decided not to knock the studs out of the stock front pipe and drove an hour up to get a new front pipe from the homie Ernesto coming in clutch. But yeah, since we're in Eugene, we had to stop at In-N-Out, of course. But look at the truck. It's like a SEMA truck. Thing's nuts. But, and then there's also a GT3 over here, which is kind of cool, if you can see it. Right there. Yeah, so we're gonna eat really quick, drive another hour home, and then install the rest of the exhaust. How are those potatoes?
Pretty good.
Hey, Toby.
Thank you, buddy.
This is a PLM front pipe here. Ernesto luckily had one sitting around in his garage. So we're gonna install this instead of having to deal with the stock one, and these bolts are gonna be a lot easier than the stock ones we're gonna deal with.
You need that front pipe in, then we'll jack the rear for all that shit.
Welcome back to 3 idiots, 1 Type R, and 1 exhaust. It is currently 10 p.m. Let's see how fast we can get this done. Stay tuned.
No, not great dodge.
We don't need the negativity right now.
Dude, I have to wake up at fucking 5:30 in the morning to go to work tomorrow.
Back to Toby with the weather.
It's entirely too late for this. I have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, 5:30.
Car things. There is the front pipe that we're replacing. Here's Toby. We gotta take off the little heat shield or scrape pad.
This is spicy water.
Well, guys,
This is propel.
2 hours later, it's now midnight. Everything is on. Let me tell you, we're pretty exhausted. Benny's still under the car putting everything back together, but there's 3 bolts that we have had problems with all day on the mid pipe. And shit. Yeah. But those 3 bolts aren't tight all the way. They're like a little bit past hand tight. So we're gonna see if there's an exhaust leak, and we're gonna get crow's foot and do that tomorrow. Cheers. Benny's gonna take it around the block so I can get a feel for what it sounds like without the. Oh, it's loud. Yeah, it's deep. There she goes. I can hear the drone coming. Wow. That sounds so crazy from here. We out here in the streets 2022 at 1 a.m. Pissing off all the neighbors. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's loud. What if he hit me? That'd be really funny.
Hop in.
It's so loud.
Is it really?
It's so loud. In the video. Thank you. Shout out to you guys. You guys are real ones. And shout out to Toby and Benny for helping me get the exhaust on. I know it was kind of a pain in the butt being all day, but you know how car things are. It can be a 45-minute project turn into a whole day ordeal. But you know what? It was still a good time with the boys, and I wouldn't want it any other way. Other than that, at this point, I've had the exhaust on for about a month or so. I love it. It reminds me of my SI one, the SKUNK2 exhaust. Very nostalgic for me. It's a very good tone even with the PLM front pipe. Very deep and throaty at the bottom. Kind of airy up top. I'm sure it'll change once I get it catted or catalyst downpipe down the road. Other than that, I love the exhaust, guys. But yeah, just so you know, if you want to mount that up to your stock front pipe, you will have to knock out the studs or just get a front pipe when you install it. It was Black Friday a couple days ago, so I got some exciting parts, or new parts exciting for me, coming in the next couple days from King Motorsports. So if you can guess what those are, drop a comment below. If you guess it right, I'll give you a high five, or you know, you get 1,000 years of good luck. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.